For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
As part of a joint initiative, India and Israel are developing a novel coronavirus rapid testing kit with breakthrough technology. The COVID-19 testing kit by India and Israel aims to give test results within 30 seconds. The aim is to merge Israel's technological expertise with India's mass production capabilities. A high-ranking team from the Directorate of Defense Research and Development in Israel and DRDO in India will work together. The Israeli mission in India put out a series of tweets about the joint efforts. Merging Israeli technology with Indian development and production capabilities aims to allow a swift resumption of normal life alongside the virus. Israel will soon send a high-level research delegation to India to conduct a series of final stages of testing. A special flight from Israel will bring along breakthrough technology to combat COVID-19. A special planned flight from Tel Aviv to New Delhi is set to carry a high-ranking R&D team which has been working with India's chief scientist Vijay Raghavanand and DRDO India to develop rapid testing for COVID-19 in under 30 seconds. Since the start of the pandemic, the DDR&D has tested dozens of diagnostic technologies. The DDR&D team will conduct 4 technology systems for the COVID-19 testing. The first kind of test is a voice test where the presence of COVID-19 virus can be checked through the voice of a person. Breathalyzer test will be based on terahertz waves or using radio waves on a breath sample. Isothermal test and polyamino acid test will test for COVID-19 based on saliva samples. Israel believes these tests have the ability to detect the presence of the virus within minutes. The tech-based COVID-19 testing kit will enable faster testing. The joint effort by India and Israel is that through this COVID-19 testing kit, tens of thousands of samples can be collected in just few days and analyze them using computer systems based on artificial intelligence. This will ensure quicker testing in much lesser time. Israel will also deliver mechanical ventilators under special permission given to export them to India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Israeli counterpart Benjamin Netanyahu have promised mutual assistance in dealing with the pandemic. Since the outbreak of the global pandemic, PM Netanyahu and PM Modi have held 3 telephonic conversations in which they promised mutual assistance in dealing with the virus and committed to joint technological and scientific research between the countries. The Israeli government observed that India lifted the ban on export of hydroxychloroquine on the special request of Netanyahu. Israel is tying up with India to improve strategic relations and help each other during the time of crisis. The first stage of the testing will be held in Israel, while the final stage will be carried out in India.